Do you have any plans to revamp your living spaces anytime soon? We all need to revamp our homes from time to time due to its multi-dimensional benefits. Wood furniture and decor pieces play major roles in this venture. Revamping our living spaces with wood furniture and decor pieces is not just about aesthetics. It's about creating an environment that resonates with warmth, comfort, and a sense of home. Wood has a unique ability to transform a space, infusing it with character and a timeless quality that is often missing in modern materials. This transformation goes beyond mere appearance. It touches on emotional and psychological aspects of how we interact with our surroundings. Wood furniture and decor pieces bring a natural beauty that is hard to replicate. The grain patterns, textures, and colors found in wood are as varied as nature itself. This diversity allows for a personal touch in our homes, where every piece can reflect our tastes and preferences. Unlike synthetic materials, wood tells a story. Each knot and imperfection adds to the narrative, making it not just a functional item, but a conversation starter. The tactile quality of wood invites touch and engagement, encouraging us to connect with our surroundings on a deeper level. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas to transform your living spaces. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. One of the most significant advantages of using wood in our living spaces is its inherent warmth. The natural tones of wood create a cozy atmosphere that can make any room feel more inviting. This warmth is especially important in areas where we gather with family and friends. It fosters connections and encourages interaction. In a world that often feels cold and sterile, wood brings a touch of nature indoors, reminding us of the beauty and simplicity of the natural world. It creates a backdrop that is conducive to relaxation and socialization, making our living spaces more functional and enjoyable. The psychological benefits of incorporating wood into our homes cannot be overlooked. Studies have shown that natural materials can have a calming effect on our minds and bodies. The presence of wood can reduce stress and promote a sense of well-being, making it an ideal choice for our living environments. In an age where many of us experience overwhelming stress and anxiety, creating a sanctuary that feels safe and nurturing is essential. We can help achieve this by creating a soothing atmosphere that encourages us to unwind and recharge. Sustainability is another critical factor to consider when choosing wood for our living spaces. In recent years, there's been a growing awareness of the impact our choices have on the environment. By opting for responsibly sourced and sustainable wood products, we can make a positive contribution to the planet. Many manufacturers now prioritize eco-friendly practices, using reclaimed wood or sourcing from forests that are managed sustainably. This not only reduces our carbon footprint, but also supports local economies and communities. The choice to use wood is not just a personal decision. It reflects our values and our commitment to a healthier planet for future generations. In addition to sustainability, wood furniture and decor pieces can enhance the overall aesthetic of our homes. The versatility of wood allows it to blend seamlessly with various design styles, from rustic to modern. This adaptability means that wood can be incorporated into any space, enhancing its character and charm. It can serve as a grounding element in a contemporary setting or add warmth to a traditional decor. This flexibility allows us to express our individuality while creating a harmonious environment. When we choose to incorporate wood into our living spaces, we also embrace the concept of craftsmanship. Many wood pieces are handcrafted by skilled artisans who pour their expertise and passion into creating functional works of art. This craftsmanship adds another layer of value to the furniture and decor we choose. Knowing that a piece is made with care and attention to detail can deepen our appreciation for it, making it more than just a commodity. It becomes a cherished item that holds sentimental value and contributes to the story of our home. Moreover, wood pieces can evolve with us over time. Unlike trends that come and go, quality wood furniture has a timeless quality that can adapt to changing tastes and styles. As we revamp our living spaces, we can choose pieces that can be integrated into future designs, allowing for a sense of continuity. This longevity makes wood a wise investment, as it often outlasts cheaper materials that may need to be replaced more frequently. The durability of wood ensures that our living spaces remain beautiful and functional for years to come. In our quest to create inviting and engaging environments, we should also consider the role that wood plays in enhancing our relationships. The presence of wood encourages gatherings and shared experiences. A sturdy wooden dining table, for example, becomes the centerpiece of family meals, celebrations, and conversations. It's where we create memories, share stories, and connect with loved ones. The warmth of wood can transform a simple meal into a cherished occasion, reinforcing the importance of togetherness in our lives. The importance of using wood extends to its ability to support our well-being. Surrounding ourselves with natural materials can improve our mental and emotional health. The calming effect of wood can create a more peaceful environment, allowing us to focus, relax, and recharge. In contrast to the harshness of synthetic materials, wood offers a softer, more inviting presence that can positively influence our mood and mindset. This is particularly important in areas where we spend significant amounts of time, such as our living rooms, bedrooms, and home offices. Incorporating wood into our living spaces also encourages a connection to nature. As urbanization increases, many of us find ourselves distanced from the natural world. By bringing wood indoors, we can create a bridge between our homes and the environment outside. This connection can enhance our appreciation for the beauty of nature and remind us of the importance of preserving it. In a world that often feels disconnected, wood serves as a reminder of our roots and the beauty that exists in the natural world. The aesthetic appeal of wood is enhanced by its ability to complement other materials. Pairing wood with metals, glass, or textiles can create a visually stunning contrast that adds depth to our living spaces. For example, a wooden coffee table can be beautifully complemented by metal accent pieces or soft fabric cushions. This interplay of materials creates a dynamic environment that engages the senses and encourages exploration. The combination of textures and colors can transform a room from ordinary to extraordinary, making it a space where we genuinely enjoy spending time. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas to transform your living spaces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.